Here's I'll show you how to use Photoshop clone stamp tool. So first of all, I'm just duplicating my layer, and then from tool panel I'm selecting the clone stamp tool, or you can press S key on your keyboard to select the clone stamp tool. Mode, select here normal, and opacity give 100%, flow 100%, and click here and select this option. Now you can change this clone stamp tool size by pressing the first bracket key on your keyboard. You can increase or decrease just like this. Now to remove this footstep, we have to collect a sample first of all. So I'm selecting this part sample by pressing the Alt key on my keyboard and clicking here to take the sample. Now I'm just drawing this footprint just like this to hide. In the same way, I'm selecting this part sample and hiding this footprint, and this time selecting this part sample, hiding this footprint. So that's how you can actually use the clone stamp tool to hide something in Photoshop. And here you can see the before and after result.